What's going on, folks? Today is the day. Today is the day. Been rocking around with this company for about 3 months now, and and I could say that it hasn't been that good. It hasn't been that good. Could have been me. Could have been them. A lot of times for myself, I like to say it was them. Because there's no way that you should be sitting waiting on loads, especially in the hot market which we're in now. So I'm going to part my ways with this company. Right now, we're out here getting the truck washed. These guys are out here washing the truck, making sure that the internal is clean. So when I turn the truck in, there's no issues at all. You guys are doing an excellent job. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is the one part of turning your truck in. So now I'm about to ride this truck all the way to Jersey, leave the keys in the truck, and go to my next venture. Somebody, at least was going somewhere else. Somebody else will get it correct. But I just thought I'll give y'all the first part of actually turning your truck in when you no longer want to be with the company no longer. Yeah. That's it. So they're just about finishing up here. And next spot we'll meet you is when we get to the drop yard. All right, y'all. Made it here to the destination. About to drop off this truck. To give y'all a nice little video. We came out the truck wash and got it cleaned. They got it cleaned. Everything looks to be intact. Paints, everything. Always want to make a video when you drop the people's truck off, just so you don't have no problems. So everything's straight. Like I said, it just came out the Blue Beacon, so she's definitely clean. Yeah. Let's take a look inside. Yeah. So we must did a little light cleanup. Grab this up. Yeah. Little light cleanup. They can have my little sheet. And they can have my little sheet. Do whatever with it. But so far, so good. And that's just a little something on how you leave a truck when you're leaving a company. Make sure it's clean. Yeah, make sure it's clean. Everything is intact. So they don't be trying to get you for nothing. Yeah. Well, that does it for me. It's been real rocking with the Z Transportation. Decent company, they just need to learn how to get their dispatching together. Because sitting and waiting on loads in a hot market, it doesn't work good for me. Y'all up there trying to search for good loads, and y'all miss out on, I don't know. Like I said, at the end of the day, sitting and waiting on loads, that wasn't working for me. I need somebody that knows how to plan. So, but we're out of here. On to the next situation. I'm gonna ride the weights. We're out of here. Well, here it is. Sat up there and I left on the move to the next gig. Yeah, took me some time off. You know what I mean? Yeah, it had to take me some time off. And just chill, get over the holidays and stuff. Now it's time to get back to it. Decided to go back with my company, Falcon. They understood what the deal was. They understand the assignment, what they like to say. Yeah. So this thing is all about, it's a numbers game. You gotta know the numbers. If you don't know the numbers, then we don't have a conversation. So right now I'm just at the airport. Got a crazy flight going to Georgia, then New Jersey. But I just thought I'd give y'all a little video on what it takes,
through this whole thing.
You get hired by a company, they'll give you a flight out, take care of you. By the time I touch down to where I need to be, it'll be about 11 o'clock or so. 11 o'clock at night. So I'll be in the hotel for the night. That's it, man. That's it. Like I said, once you get out here, fill out the application with certain trucking companies, they don't hesitate. Put you on a flight, get you out here, get you going. Doesn't matter if you're just getting started or you already have your license. So I'm gonna document the process. All right. take a train to the other gate and all this. Make sure you always got the right gate. Right now they want me to go and just jump on the T's. Definitely gotta jump on the T. We go get to my gate. I don't know, you know, we'll drive on now, follow T. So here we go.
Welcome aboard.
Playing no games, about to jump on the flight to Jersey, headed close to the destination. Folks, I'm out here. It's truck day. Got my truck with the orientation and everything. See how I'm rolling. Got the big K dub. You know what I mean? So I'm just now going around, taking the tires and everything, and just giving it the full inspection that it needs before I get rolling. But yeah, man, it's truck day. Truck day. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, going over everything, making sure everything is up to par, tires and stuff. Yeah. Definitely cold out there. So yeah, man, today is truck day. Like I said, they gave me this truck to rock and roll with. You know, they didn't even clean it or nothing, but it is what it is. You know, when I have my spare time, I will. When I have my spare time, then I'll go ahead and clean the truck out and get it looking like how I want it to look. You know, put my mounts up and all that good stuff. But yeah, man, today's the first day getting started. I got my truck. You know, we're gonna rock and roll and see what we can make happen. All right, folks. On to my first pickup. Was picking up out of here in Maine, going to Wisconsin. So we're going for the long haul, Wisconsin on the first run. Let me see, right now we up here trying to look for our trailer. Got it preloaded, so that's good. We don't have to sit and wait. We just get ready and get rolling. If I see it, gotta look for your loads. Look for your trailers out here. They ain't out here. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see the trailer out here. So we're gonna go check out the little drop yard. Couldn't be playing around out here. It's cold as I don't know what. Just coming out here in the hoodie and long john shirt. And this ain't cutting it.
Definitely gotta get with the program. It's like 30-something degrees out this kid. Alright. Shutting it down to realize there ain't no heat in the damn cab. In the sleeper part. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. It is cold as hell. Good thing I bought my good plush blanket. Shoot. Got me some camo sheets. This is crazy. Yeah, we made it to the destination. Load is dropped. It is cold. It's I don't know what out here. Wisconsin ain't for the weak. I'm gonna let you know that. Wisconsin ain't for the weak. It is cold in the summer gun out here. But you know, I'm built for it tough. But we made it up here. You know, heat messing up. You know, a couple accidents on the way. Not me, of course. But on the way, trucks turned over. Definitely got to take it slow out here on these roads, because it ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Stop trying to be a speed demon for all you four-wheelers and truck drivers out there. Stop trying to be a speed demon and act like you know what you got, know the road like that. Take your time so we won't have a whole bunch of accidents and I'm being held up because you wanted to be a speed demon or doing something stupid. So that's my PSA for the drivers out there. All drivers. But yeah, we made it to the destination. I'm about to go get my paperwork. I got a long walk to get my paperwork. I'm at door 33. I gotta get my damn load, my paperwork at door 104. Do I even want to walk down that far? I don't think I am. Yeah, I'm gonna get the truck and drive down there. Sounds like a smart decision. Shoot, it's too cold out here for that. Tie my boots. But yeah, that's it. Made it to the destination safe and everything. Y'all be safe out there. And I'll holler at y'all on the next trip.